The DEWALT 12V max drill, driver and impact driver are both ergonomically designed for use in small spaces and include LED. The drill driver delivers a 189 unit watt output and features a 2-speed gearbox with a 15-position clutch. The impact driver offers up to 79 foot-pounds of torque and a 1/4 inch chuck that can be loaded with one hand for convenience. Part of DEWALT's compact line of 12-volt rechargeable tools, these drivers use 12-volt max lithium-ion battery packs that offer 1.1 Ah. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Compact, lightweight design fits into tight areas. Number 2. 3 LED lights provide visibility without shadows. Number 3. One-handed loading 1/4 inch hex chuck accepts 1-inch bit tips. Number 4. 79 feet lbs max torque. Number 5. 3-year limited warranty, a 1-year free service contract. Number 6. Drill driver with compact design. At 7.5 inches long, the 3/8 inch drill driver is designed to fit into small spaces, providing secure penetration without damaging screw heads from angled driving attempts. The compact body of the driver means you can apply maximum leverage, enabling you to get the most from this drill driver's 189 unit watt output. The 15-position clutch works in conjunction with a 2-speed gearbox, so you get precisely the amount of torque and delivery best suited to your application. Number 7. Additionally, the drill driver's single LED mounted radially around the barrel will light your target area to provide better visibility. Number 8. Powerful and easy to use. The impact driver offers 3,400 impacts per minute and up to 79 foot-pounds of torque. The 1/4 inch chuck can be operated with one hand, so loading bits up to 1 inch is quick and easy. The driver features a built-in belt clip, 3-barrel mounted LED, and reverse for additional ease of use. Number 9. Quick charging, long-lasting battery packs. This kit comes with two 12-volt max lithium-ion battery packs, each with 1.1 Ah. The recharge time of these battery packs is between 30 minutes and 1 hour. Number 10. Warranty information. This DEWALT tool comes with a 3-year limited warranty, a 1-year free service contract, and a 90-day money-back guarantee. Number 11. What's in the box? Drill driver, impact driver, 2 lithium-ion battery packs, charger, 2 belt clips, and bag. And so much more. Some common questions. Question number 1. Is the 1/4 inch drill an impact driver as well? Answer. DCD 710 and 3/8 inches drill driver, DCF 815 and 1/4 inches impact driver. Question number 2. Is this a 3/8 drive? Answer. DCD 710 drill driver, 3/8 inches, DCF 815 impact, 1/4 inches. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.